the thing here, it's a gradual shift. It's not an overnight, like, oh, I no longer have to do anything because agents do it for me. The same way, there are many things that we do on the internet, we never conceived that we'd be doing them today. For example, my kids asked me what kind of cell phone I had when I was their age. Obviously, I didn't have a cell phone. These things didn't exist. And if you look at what your phones can do today, we didn't imagine they'd be able to do that 5 years ago and 10 years ago. So there's been this gradual shift. I'm sure the same thing will happen with agents. We're not suddenly going to give all of our shopping over to AI agents. We're not suddenly going to give over all of our travel booking to AI agents. There will be experiences that will be like, oh, wow, this is a little bit better. I can put in what I'm looking for and it will go in and add things to my cart, but I'm still going to have to decide. This means that it's a experience shift. It's a paradigm shift, but it's not like a 180-degree turn. So looking at it from an SEO standpoint, there were things that we did many years ago that worked, but gradually shifted away. So e-commerce sites, if you look at Amazon's site from 10 years ago, none of us would ever trust that site with a credit card today because that's not the way it should work. It looks ugly. The carts aren't good. We're not really sure what's prime, but now we have this clean experience that we gradually got used to. So I don't think there's anything you suddenly have to get ready for. Agents will come in the picture, but agents won't always be in the picture. So the things that agents will end up doing are probably the things that humans should not have been doing before. And this will be an improvement. This will be an efficiency improvement to the way people are doing stuff. But that means that the consumers are doing something else. So if you're doing SEO, you now have to focus on two things. You have to focus on the agent and the user. So focusing on the agent might mean, and I don't know if we have a slide on this, but we have to really drive this thing home, which is SEO will always exist. And the reason is, unless we're in a world, like I said earlier, that Neuralink is controlling, SEO will exist because SEO is the process of making whatever it is, whether it's a website, a product, a service, a company, a local page, visible to the search user. That search user might become an agent. And if there's an agent, there will be rules around how to make that visible to the agent. Now, who's going to make it visible for the agent? The person that has the job title of SEO. That's not going to go to social media. That's not going to go to product. That's not going to go to paid, of course, because some of this is going to be organic. That is the job of SEO. That is not the job of SEO today because agents don't exist. But this will be the job of SEO. So if you want to be successful in SEO, you need to transform, you need to adapt. And again, not overnight. You need to start learning these things and how to do SEO for agents. There will be rules. We don't know the rules yet. Same goes for the consumer. In that world,